guys, Muppety is the next pattern at pattern-collections.com. I'm going to click on there. Aren't these guys cute? They're so cute. That's what we're aiming for. Little happy Muppet looking critters. And so we're going to first do the eyes. And make 2 circles and then aura around that, like so. Simple. And then do a little line here and fill in that side so that they're all looking upward. They can actually, those little bits can go any direction you want. They don't all have to be looking upward. This one's a little more sideways. You can have your eyeballs going any direction you want. Then you're going to start making this feathering on the top and the bottom, going all the way around, like so. Super easy, right? Stick yourself a little stem like a neck. If you want to, you can just do the top and put a beak or some other shape down there at the bottom. And that's it. It's going to be simple. It's going to be fun. Going to turn on my light. And I'm going to zoom in just a little. Oop, wrong direction. Okay, I'm going to do that now while it doesn't have anything in front of you, because that will make it easier for you to not be, say, sick. Let's do one on, I don't know what size piece of paper I want to do. I'm just going to do a smallish one. Let's do that. Got myself a gray page. I am going to start with a border, and I'm going to decide that this down here is my ground. So that's what I'm going to start with. I'm going to actually draw that kind of like this, just to give it a start. And then I'm going to put my little guys. I'm going to actually plan out kind of where I want my little guys. I think I want one here, and maybe here, and here, and here, and maybe one here. I think I'm going to put 5 of them. Something in that realm. Giving myself a little composition. You don't have to. You can just go straight in. Okay. I'm going to do this one first. A circle and a circle. And then this like that. And fill in his little eye, leaving a white bit. Like so. And then this little guy is going to start over here. And he's going to have a floofy little head going this way, all the way around like that. And going the other way as well. Right side up, upside down. Very good. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do one with the eyes a little bit closer together. And maybe this guy is going to be looking the other way. Like so. Make sure we get our little aura. And then he's going to have a droopier kind of hairdo here. Like that. And maybe we'll make him more of a chicken-like creature and give him that beak. Why not? But he's also going to have a bit of fluff on this side because I want it that way. And then this one's going to have bigger eyes. Why? I don't know. Because, you know, I can't just do the same thing over and over exactly the same. That would be boring. Like so. And he's going to have, I like this sort of where it's whoosh off to one side. I'm going to do it this way though. I'm going to start him this direction, I think. Maybe this guy's going to have a hair that goes two directions. Like so. We're going to go that way. He's going to be more bird-like as well. And then we're going to do some more down here. Yep, his eyes go weird directions. And we're just going to do him more like the original pattern. That way and this way. Feathering is one of my favorite things to do. Aren't these guys cute? They've all got their own little personality. Love them. Let's do one here. Yep, that little guy's got one big eye and one little eye. Why not? They can all take on their own fun personality. See? Everybody's got their own little story to tell. Like that. Okay, now if they all need stems, heads, necks, whatever you want to call it, let's go. I'm gonna erase my edges. We're gonna go here. Gonna go here. Like so. And then these guys need a thing like that, and this one's going to come out and around here. Like that. There we go. There's my little guys. I think I need some kind of landscapey plant thing. Why? I don't know. Just feel like it needs it. It needed something like that. M-U-P-P-E-T-Y. Muppety. Now we need to give them a little bit of shading or coloring, whichever you prefer. I'm feeling black and white today. Some days I feel really colorful. Today I don't. So, you know what? We're just going to do the regular graphite shading. And of course in the usual spots where they kind of overlap, give it a little depth, give it a little dimension. That's coming over the top of that one. Right in the middle here where it kind of, and we'll do a few of these just at the tip. Just like that, and a couple of this. Don't need to do them all, just enough to give them that look of dimension. we'll just do something like that. Something like that. Let's blend this out. That will just make them all look more real. A little bit of shading makes a big difference. My blending stump is a little mushy. I'm going to get my sanding block. That's this. Let me zoom out just a smidge so you can see the whole thing. There you go. It's just a piece of sandpaper stapled to a block of, I don't know, chipboard. And when your blending stump is not doing what you want it to do, you need it a little bit more pointy, it's a little too dirty, whatever, just rub it on the sandpaper, twirl it a bit, and you will get your point back. That's better. It was getting a little flat. If you're going to put the graphite, don't forget to blend. If you're just going to color, you don't need to do that. You can use your colored pencils to create the depth and dimension, or your markers. But if you're just going to use the black and white and you're going to use pencil, don't forget to blend. That's the part that just makes it happen. There we go. Oh, aren't they cute? They're very cute. I'm excited for this little Muppety thing. Easy, simple to do. Let my camera stabilize a little bit. Alright, you guys have a really great day. Enjoy your afternoon. I'm going to turn my air back on because it's going to be like 112 today. And I'm going to see if I can get one more drawing in today. Maybe two, but at least one more. And I'm looking forward to doing, I want to do a special request one. So I think I'm going to draw that one next. And, ooh, I just noticed how really disgusting my fingernails are. I'm gonna take care of my fingernails, and I will see you guys in a bit. You go out and do something nice for someone today and make the world a better place, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.